Cruz did try and cover up the accident for the minute the accident occurred. He took deceptive step after deceptive step to throw investigators off the scent of him being involved in this particular crash.
He was never admitting that he had hit Mr. Keynes. He admitted that he had an accident, and he admitted some uncertain